Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and add image slider in WordPress. So firstly, you have to log into your WordPress account by going to a browser and searching for wordpress.com, and this is the homepage you're going to see. In the homepage here, you can see the quick links option. Below it is the edit site option. Simply click on the edit site option and it will take you to the editor's page of WordPress. After you have reached the editor's page of WordPress, as you can see over here, we are going to focus on the left hand side over here, which there is a block inserted, and we are going to search for compare. As you can see, there is an option called image compare over here, and it is asking us for uploading an image or select an image. So we are going to click on upload, and simply just here we are going to add photos to compare in WordPress. As you can see, one photo has been added and another photo has been added. This is how you can add photo or select images from uploaded in WordPress, but this is the side-by-side comparison of photos in WordPress. You can actually resize it, make it big and small, and also move its location over here. And there are various settings to actually write a caption and everything. You can do it from over here, and after you have done relocating it, just simply click on save and your actions will be saved. And that is how you create and add image slider in WordPress post pages. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.